Alright guys, for this part, what you're going to do is you're going to have to find the absolute smallest screws that are available, and you're going to slip these in like so with this part upwards, because this was going to connect up like that with one of the rods, and then you will just screw this bit in here, and it's going to go basically to screw in there so this thing won't fly off in flight. So, but it also shouldn't be screwed all the way in, because otherwise it won't be able to turn. So this is something that people with big manly fingers are going to struggle a lot with, and I'm going to try my best. Again, this is going to be a slightly smaller screwdriver that you're going to need for this, and it doesn't come with the kit, so you better have your own. And I think that I already screwed it in a little bit too tight, but we'll just have to see how that does with the motors. You can always loosen it. Anyway, thanks for watching, and then I'll see you in the next one.